In this video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 racing drones, so get comfortable and let's dive in. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. We are going to take a look at the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro Combo. The latest in our list is the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro Combo, the best travel drone for anyone who needs to do professional work and doesn't want to sacrifice portability. This bundle includes an action camera with 6K video and a 40-minute battery life, making it great for those looking to film sporting events or other outdoor adventures on a budget. As soon as you open up the box, you will notice that this unit comes well protected in hard and soft cases, ensuring that no damage occurs during travel. From here on out, we can take a closer look at some of its features. First off, it is its modular design. The battery can be swapped out easily by simply unscrewing it from the bottom section of the gimbal arm with your fingers. Once you have removed it from there, simply slide off the housing cover from each end of the battery tray and attach it onto your freshly charged batteries until you are ready to film again. The battery also has built-in straps for those times when you want to use all 4 arms at once without worrying about them coming loose during aerial flight. You will also find an SD slot for microSD cards between 2 of these sections. This allows you up to 32 GB capacity videos before stopping recording. Always keep in mind that if your microSD card becomes full while filming is still ongoing, then recording will stop automatically once space on your card becomes available again. This should ensure that footage lasts longer before running into problems due to storage overloads, while simultaneously freeing up memory space so that you don't need to worry about running out of space too quickly when switching batteries mid-flight. Finally, if we move down towards its belly plate where there is an adjustable ARA mode dial just above its brushless motors facing forward along with 3 different brightly colored LED lights for face. Next on our list is the Lonsand 2PK Mini Drones, a product geared towards families that are looking for an entry-level device. This mini drone comes with a 2-in-1 race and fly mode with the ability to switch between either mode on the go. Its remote control can tilt up to 60 degrees forward and down to 30 degrees backward, giving you full control over your movements. The emergency stop key allows you to launch in a snap to avoid any damage to the drone, furniture, people or pets nearby. Finally, its body is made from resistant PVC material, which is used on racing car toys, so it can withstand an impact speed of 35 miles per hour without braking. All in all, you have a small drone that can operate both as a racer or as an aircrafter that offers great flying fun at only $40 for 2. Next on our list is the Syma X20 Mini Drone. The Syma X20 Mini is a great little quadcopter for beginner pilots who want to start out with something that can do just about everything. This little guy retails for around $49 and offers a high volume per dollar ratio. Let's talk about its strengths in our next segment, namely the fact that it's very stable in flight, making it perfect for beginners. The X20 Mino has a tiny footprint of just 50 by 50 millimeters and weighs only 31 grams. It has 4 rotor blades driven by an extremely powerful micro-coreless motor, giving this ultra-portable device some surprising power and punch for its size. The battery lasts for about 6 minutes of flying time, which isn't too bad at all, considering the size of this thing versus other models. It also comes with headless mode, so you don't have to worry about flipping it around all the time while trying to get into the air or returning back to you like a boomerang when you hit return to home or one-key takeoff/landing function. Finally, if you're looking for an extremely tiny quadcopter that still performs really well but really doesn't break the bank while still being under $50, then look no further than the Syma X20 Mino. Next up on our list is the Ruco U11 Pro drone. This is one of our favorite drones for beginners, and it's priced very competitively. If you're looking for a good-looking drone with all the features you'd expect to find in a high-end model, especially when you consider its price point, then look no further than the Roku U11 Pro. First off, this little guy looks like a stealth bomber with some pretty cool racing stripes on its body. The auto takeoff and landing modes are also great features that make it super easy to fly with limited experience. The 720p camera shoots decent footage while giving slightly jittery results when flying at higher speeds and not quite as fluid video quality as other drones in this price range. Still, thanks to technology upgrades in 2018 that added brushless motors for better overall stability and 4K video resolution direct from the camera itself without downsizing or filming limitations meant for different output resolutions, this quadcopter goes from being just another beginner drone to one of the best bargains out there in terms of a multipurpose racing machine that fits nicely into your budget. The last product we want to talk about is the Bwine F7 4K drone. This is a great drone for those of you who are traveling and looking for something that won't need to be checked as baggage. It boasts a 75-minute flight time, which will easily be enough time to get some great footage. It includes 3 intelligent batteries that can be charged together so you don't have to wait around while it's charging. At under $400, the Bwine F7 is a great choice for someone who needs a high-performance camera at an affordable price point. This quadcopter comes with all the best features you would expect in this price range, including 3-axis gimbal stabilization and one-click detachable 4K camera with 120 FOV lens and 5x digital zoom, ensuring shots always stay stable and focused on your intended subject as it transitions between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition. The Wookeeper wind resistance allows you to fly this drone up to 2,000 meters above sea level without being affected by the wind or altitude. Even in its lowest gear ratio, it can still manage stable flight indoors when the air gets thinner. Finally, there's GPS capabilities, which will allow you to never lose your drone if battery is low or signal is lost through simply pressing one button return. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 racing drones. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.